Hey everyone, and welcome to another refreshed cricket video. Today we have got a Buffalo Thumper in the shop. I know this one has scored a lot of runs over the years. It does need a little bit of TLC, but we'll get into that. We'll show you what needs to be done, and then we'll show you how we do it. So on this one we can see some cracking along the edge here. That will be quite easy to fix up. Again, some cracking just here. We'll get some glue underneath that and fix that. Got quite a large crack across the face, but again it's just a bit of face cracking, so that's fine. You can see all the way down this edge here as well we've got some face cracks. Again, that'll be nice and easy to fix. Down at the toe we've got another crack. Toe needs a little bit of a clean up as well, as you can see, and then we've got quite a big chunk of the back of the bat missing as well here, so we'll just get some filler in that, sand it down and filler. So watch as we show you how this one gets all fixed up. And here is the fully refreshed Bison. You can see all the cracks on the face have been fixed up. It's had a new face guard put on, edge tape, it's had a coat of oil, and it has also had new stickers put on. And if you can remember, there's a bit of a chunk missing here as well from the back. That's just been patched up as well. So it's going to go out to the customer today. This service cost the customer £30 for a full refresh with refresh stickers. If you're interested in getting yourself a refresh, just head to www.refurbishment.co.uk.